Hello everyone. One of the most popular devices at the moment is a Bluetooth speaker. This is really a very useful thing. In this video, I want to show a Bluetooth speaker that impresses with its capabilities and characteristics, but at the same time has a low price. This is a WiseTiger P3 Bluetooth speaker. In some of its parameters, this Bluetooth speaker is even ahead of more well-known companies. A discount is available for every viewer of my channel when buying this Bluetooth speaker. To get a discount when placing an order, you need to specify the promo code that will be in the description under this video. There will also be a link to this Bluetooth speaker in the description. Before proceeding to the review of this wonderful device, I want to remind you about the Telegram channel Invexlab. There you will find a lot of useful and interesting information, ranging from news from the field of modern technology, as well as reviews of equipment, and ending with a variety of schematic diagrams of electronic devices and relevant background information. The link to the Invexlab group will also be in the description. Now let's take a closer look at all the characteristics and capabilities of the WiseTiger P3 Bluetooth speaker. The WiseTiger P3 Bluetooth speaker is sold in such a cardboard box, which shows the device and also indicates its technical characteristics. Let's take a closer look at the parameters of this Bluetooth speaker. The output power is 30 watts. In most cases, similar speakers of this size from other manufacturers have a power of up to 20 watts, but the power of this column is 30 watts. Therefore, the volume should be more than sufficient. Bluetooth version 5.3. Waterproof class IPX7. This means that the column can be briefly immersed in water to a depth of 1 meter without any consequences for it. Of course, diving with her is not recommended, but if, for example, she gets caught in the rain, then nothing will happen to her. Next, the Bluetooth operation distance is at least 10 meters in an open space. The playback time is up to 20 hours, a 2500 mAh battery and a voltage of 7.4 volts. The charging voltage is 5 volts and the current is 2 amperes. The speaker is charged for about 4 hours. The frequency ranges from 80 Hz to 20 kHz. As you can see, the WiseTiger P3 column has excellent characteristics and, according to some of them, stands out significantly from other similar devices. The Bluetooth speaker package is quite standard for this type of device. USB Type-C charging cord and user manual. The instructions also indicate the characteristics of this column and the functions of the buttons on the case. The WiseTiger P3 Bluetooth speaker has a completely standard and recognizable appearance for this type of device. The speaker body is made of high-quality plastic, and most of the side surface is covered with acoustic fabric. The sides, as well as the control panel, have a rubberized coating that is very pleasant to the touch. The WiseTiger P3 speaker has 2 speakers, round and oval, which is quite unusual. But thanks to this, the manufacturer has slightly divided the frequency ranges and achieved a more powerful and clear sound. There are 2 passive radiators for deep bass on the sides of the speaker. In the center of the passive radiator there is a plastic cover with the manufacturer's logo, and around it there is an LED backlight that can be adjusted or completely turned off. Small protrusions are made on the sides of the column. Thanks to this, the speaker can be installed on any of the side surfaces, and the sound will not be too muffled. You can create a stereo pair from 2 identical WiseTiger P3 speakers. They connect to a smartphone at the same time, and the result is surround stereo sound. Another useful feature of the WiseTiger P3 speaker is the ability to make phone calls thanks to the built-in microphone and connection to a smartphone. A small nylon cord is provided to hold the column or hang it. Now let's look at the management of this column. The buttons have no backlight and they are mechanical, that is, when pressed, a small click is felt. The first button on the side of the installed cord is to create a stereo pair and disconnect via Bluetooth. Next, the indicator turns on in the battery charge level. The next button turns on and off the Bluetooth speaker, as well as adjusts the LED backlight. Then the volume down button and select the previous track. Next, the button to turn on and stop playback. Then the operating mode indicator. The button to increase the volume and select the next track. And a USB Type-C connector for charging the built-in battery. By the way, there is no voice notification when switching modes, which can sometimes be annoying. Now I will turn on the column and check it in operation. The backlight has two modes of operation, but it can also be turned off completely to save battery power. The Bluetooth speaker connects very quickly, and there are no problems with this. When the speaker is connected to a smartphone, the blue indicator, which was flashing before, starts to glow constantly. Unfortunately, it is impossible to fully convey the sound quality of the Bluetooth speaker in this video. The sound will be recorded through a lapel microphone, which will significantly narrow the sound range. Also, your device through which you will watch this video will make its own adjustments to the sound. Therefore, I will also try to verbally tell you about the sound quality of the WiseTiger P3 Bluetooth speaker. The first impression of the sound is rich bass, clean and high-quality sound with good division into low and medium frequency ranges. The volume of the WiseTiger P3 speaker is actually very high, and it fully fulfills the claimed 30 watts of power. But most importantly, even at maximum power, the speaker does not rattle or wheeze. The sound remains the same, pure and powerful. Passive radiators noticeably add a deeper bass. As a result of this video, we can confidently say that the WiseTiger P3 Bluetooth speaker is a wonderful device that combines clear and loud sound with deep bass, a powerful battery and convenient operation. With all this, the Bluetooth speaker has a low price. This concludes this video. If you liked it, then click the subscribe button so that you don't miss the new video on my channel, which will appear very soon. I thank you for watching and see you soon.